Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the man whose viral video triggered an investigation into the quality of sugar produced by Pan Caribbean Sugar Company is speaking out this evening. He detailed the challenges he faced reporting the issue to the authorities and at the same time welcome the measures taken so far.
Kimberly Petty has more in this Primetime News follow-up.
What was supposed to be a routine sipping of his tea turned into a viral moment for Kurja after he found metal particles in a pack of sugar. The man told TVJ News that he went out to a local supermarket in Manchester to do his regular shopping. On his list of items, a pack of Pan Caribbean sugar. But little did he know he was on a life-saving mission.
I went home and I make some tea. By mixing the tea, you hear some jingling in the cup. So I consume the tea, but I never drink all of it. And when I finish drink, I throw the rest, and see a fat piece of metal in the sugar.
He said he didn't make much of it at first, but he was puzzled and later decided to run an experiment on the sugar that remained.
I throw the rest of the sugar in the strainer and put it on the pipe in the kitchen and wash the sugar. So I see a whole heap of black thing in the strainer. But just because we find metal previous, I went for a piece of magnet and I run it in the strainer and the magnet take up all the black stuff in the strainer. So I said this can never be right. Maybe just one pack of the sugar have the fault. So I never really blame anybody.
The man said his interest was piqued and so he opted to go back to the same supermarket and purchase 5 more packs of the same sugar to run further tests using his magnet. To his surprise, he found metal yet again. His next step, he said, was to find a contact number on the package for the company.
Some secretary answered the phone and asked the supervisor or the management to tell me so the person not in. So I have to call back and explain the situation. I call back again, she tell me that the person not in. Alright? I call back 6 times after that and nobody pick up. I call them again, them pick up. The secretary or whosoever answer the phone start give me attitude and start tell me about me have a email this and send the video. Alright, we call back the sugar company again. I'm tell them say me have 4,000 followers on TikTok. So me have to post the video. They tell me say me have to do what me have to do.
Not getting any redress, he opted to call the Bureau of Standards.
I call Bureau of Standards to call the health people them. I call back Bureau of Standards that give me a run round. So the health people them have to give them, have to send email and all kind of nonsense. So I realize that them people don't really care.
Now that a stop order has been placed on the factory, he says he's comforted that his actions ultimately saved many lives.
I feel say, well, when you're in Jamaica, right, and you do things right, you have a fear for your life, right? I know at least we save 3 million people because almost everybody at Jamaica drink sugar. So I still feel good in myself.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.